This is number 1 from 8-1 for Math 127. It says a plane flies 730 miles from Charleston, South Carolina to Cleveland, Ohio with a bearing of north at 30 degrees west. The plane then flies from Cleveland to Dallas, Texas at south 42 degrees west bearing. How far is Dallas from Charleston? Assume Dallas and Charleston are at the same latitude. Now, my drawing is not to scale by any means, because really this is more like a 70-degree angle here, whereas it's 30. But just to kind of emphasize what's happening here, so we have this angle, 30. If this makes a right angle altogether, that means down here must be 60. So that's 60 degrees. Okay. Also, this other angle, which is 42, the other part of that is going to be, well, there's a property that's called alternate interior angles. So what it says is you have two parallel lines cut by a transversal. In this case, these two vertical lines are parallel. They're cut by this line here is transversal. This angle here, 30 degrees, will be the same as that angle in there. Alternate interior angles are equal. Those angles are going to be the same. Likewise, these angles are going to be the same. So that means this must be 30 degrees here. And of course, the plane turns 42 degrees to the west to go down to Dallas. So what we end up having is a triangle where this is 72 degrees, this is 60 degrees, this side here is 730 miles, and then this other angle is going to be what? Well, 180 degrees minus 72 and 60 is 132 degrees. And that's going to end up being 48 degrees. So what we're really after is this side down here, this D. And so now we can use law of sines. And the way that's going to work is we'll say, okay, sine of 72 degrees over D equals sine of 48 degrees, this angle here, over the distance of 230. So if we cross multiply, we'd have 230 sine of 72 degrees equals D times sine of 48 degrees. And solving for D, we'll divide both sides by sine of 48 degrees, and we'd have that D equals 230 miles times sine of 72 degrees over sine of 48 degrees. So what's our D going to be? Let me get out my calculator here, do this math. No, that's just 230, it's 730, isn't it? Yeah. This should be 7. That would make a difference. Okay. So I'm going to do 730 times, and my calculator's in degree mode, so we're good there. Sine of 72 divided by sine of 48. And I get 934.23, so let's say 0.2 miles. And that's it. Hope that makes sense.